guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany for those of you who are new, so welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial and review over the newest collection from MAC. It is the Boom Boom Bloom collection. So I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this eye look that you guys see right here with the eyeshadow palette. And then I'm going to give you guys my thoughts and review over everything, including that, the setting spray, a lipstick. This one is in the shade Hey Kiss Me, and then the lip gloss in the shade For the Thrill of It. So I am wearing all these products on my face right now, so if you like what you see, you want to see my thoughts and what I think you should pick up, and maybe you could pass on in this collection, then just keep watching and be sure and subscribe to my channel. Also, I want to mention, we're going to ignore the fact that I didn't put foundation on my ears today because I'm taking my hair down as soon as I finish filming this, so there was no point for me, and I actually just put my earrings back in because the wedding's in less than 2 months and I want to be able to wear cute little earrings, and I kind of had to re-pierce my ears myself, so kind of hurts. They're hurting. I didn't want to take them out and have to like take off foundation. It's just a whole mess. My hair is going to be taken down. We're going to take it right down, not right now, so you guys can see. They won't see it. See, I really like this look, but yeah, we'll go ahead and get started. Alright, so I'm going to dip into this palette from the collection. This is what it looks like. Sorry, it's like super reflective. But first off, there's only 3 mattes in the palette. They're all down the line. I am going to use all 3 mattes. So first I'm going to dip into the lightest one. Tap off the excess because that looked super pigmented, and just blend it in my crease. And then as there's less product, I'm going to blend it a little bit higher into my transition area. Alright, I'm probably going to be looking down a little bit just because I have my mirror that's lower, but hopefully I'll still be in frame. So again, blend the same lightest shade out. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I will say these are blending out really nice. I know sometimes the matte collections can be a little hit or miss. But so far, so good. I mean, I know we're only 1 shade in, but so far it's nice. So that we have that first shade. Next, I'm going to go back in with the same brush. By the way, I'm using the JH33, and I'm going to dip into the middle matte shade. Again, blend this in my crease. Alright, so here's what we got so far. Next, I'm going to go in with some shimmer. And trying to decide which one I'm like really drawn to. I know there's like this shimmery red, but to be honest, I'm not really drawn to that shade as much. I actually really like this one right here. So I'm going to wet my brush and go in with that shade all over my lid. So I'm actually wetting, what brush is this? It's the JH41. It's just like a flat brush. And I'm going to put this shimmer that I just showed you guys all over my lid. I think it looks really pretty. Okay, that's super pretty. Alright, I did get a little bit of fallout, so I'm just going to sweep it away with the brush that I used to set my under eyes. Still a little bit of powder on there. Real quick, I am going to go in and do my lower lash line. I'm just going to use, and I'm also going to probably add a little bit more to the outer corner. So I like to use the JH40 brush. Since I'm going to use this brush though for the outer corner and under my eyes, first I'm going to go in and do the 2 lighter mattes and just sweep them under my lower lash line. And then the middle one. And then go on this side. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with that darker matte brown on the bottom middle. And I'm going to hold my mirror this time. But I'm going to put this in the outer corner and just kind of help smoke things out and blend it into the shade I just put all over my lid. Like that, and then I'm going to go in with the JH33 and just lightly blend that. I'm not adding any extra product, so I'm just blending it very gently, like that, and then again on the other side. Alright, everything looks good. So again, I'm going to sweep away the under eye. So real quick off camera, I'm going to go ahead and pop on some lashes and some of the Pat McGrath brown gel liner on my lower lash line, and then we'll come back and I'll show you guys the other products that I do have from the collection. Alright, you guys, so I'm back. I have my lashes and everything on like I said I would. So I have 3 more products from this collection to show you guys. I did not get any of the like powders from the collection. I just honestly, I didn't think they were going to be that good because I know sometimes MAC's powders like that can have like an overspray, and then after the overspray it's like not the same. So that is why I didn't pick those up personally. I'm sure some people love them. I just didn't feel like picking up. So I did pick up though the setting spray. So I'm going to go ahead and set my face with this. I have used this a couple days. Today was the first day using the palette. But this smells so good. This is honestly just like if you're someone who collects the packaging like I do from these, because I'll keep them and refill them with other scents. This one though smells like cherry blossom and it smells amazing. Even the white on the packaging is almost like, I don't know, like it has like a duochrome effect, like there's purple sparkles in it in the light. It's not going to catch up on camera, but yeah, it's really good. So I'm going to set my face with this. The scent is so good. It literally just smells like cherry blossom, and I really want to get a backup of it, but I know MAC is always releasing new collections, so I'm sure they're going to have a new scent. But another part of me is hoping that they're going to make it permanent like they did with the coconut from the like Fruity Juicy or Juicy Fruity collection that they did a while back. So I'm hoping that they make this scent permanent, and then I can just refill this bottle because I'll always refill the coconut scent into my Juicy Fruity bottle that I have over there. So right now I'm just setting that in. Make sure it's good. I really love MAC Fix Plus. Honestly, they all smell good. I've literally tried all the scents and I love them all, but the packaging is super cute, and Cherry Blossom is literally one of my favorite scents. I love florals, flowers, just anything. Like a lot of my perfumes kind of smell florally and clean and stuff like that, so I really enjoy this scent. And then next up, I did pick up a lipstick and one lip gloss. I didn't get more just because, like I said, they're always releasing new makeup and like every brand is, so I really only got the one shade that I knew I was going to wear the crap out of. So I picked mine up in the lightest shade that they offered. It was called Hey Kiss Me. This is what the packaging looks like. It's super pretty. Again, it has like that purple reflect in the white, and it's just like the perfect pink color for me, honestly. Like I'm really tempted to pick up a backup if it's still available. It looks so bright on camera. Even in person, it kind of is like a lighter MAC Snob, but like I love that shade and I just love it. I just think it's so pretty. So then I also did get this lip gloss. Again, here is the packaging. It's so pretty. I got this one in the shade For the Frill of It. So I'm going to go ahead and put this over the lipstick. Oh, that's so pretty. It just made it like super shiny. And it almost has like purple and gold reflect in it, at least looking at the packaging. It's kind of hard to tell, honestly, but they're so comfy. I love MAC's lip glosses because they're like not sticky to me, and they just feel super comfortable on the lips. They smell like cupcakes, you know. So yeah, that is everything I have from the collection. Also, I am wearing the MAC Mocha Blush on my cheeks and then Champagne Pop, in case you guys are wondering. I'm also wearing MAC Give Me Sun as my bronzer, and then the Pixie Contour Powder for my contour. So if you guys like that stuff, that's what I'm wearing. And my lashes are from Flutto Lashes in the style 143. So I think that's all of my makeup details. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys my final thoughts on this collection, at least the products that I have as a whole. So First up, the eyeshadow palette. I actually really like it. I know a lot of the reviews I've seen, I haven't like reviews on Ulta. So I ended up ordering the palette off of Ulta. I don't remember why. I know there was like something that I got. Anyways, not the point. I know some of the reviews are saying like it doesn't look the same as it does online. I think it does. I mean, I knew I was getting a neutral palette with like one pop of like a pinky shimmer. I think it's actually pretty appropriate. It's a spring collection. A lot of people wear like pretty neutrals and then like pastel lips or pastel blush, things of that nature. I think it would have been fun if they would have did a pastel palette, but I mean, a lot of us can expect some neutrals from MAC. I think they're really wearable and like beautiful neutrals. Like I really love this eye look that I created today. I think it's going to be like my new go-to everyday eye makeup look. It blended out like a dream. I not only used 4 shades, but I did use all 3 mattes, which I know those can be kind of hit or miss, I think, for MAC. Generally, I do really like all their shimmers, but I think this eyeshadow palette is really good. So if you get a chance, I would pick it up if you want a good like everyday palette or something cute to travel with that has beautiful packaging. I'm not gonna lie, I love packaging, so that's also probably like about 30% of why I bought this stuff. Because I love, like I said, flowers, roses, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, setting spray, super recommend. Like if you can only get one thing from this collection, I highly recommend the setting spray. I think it smells so good, and if you're someone who likes to collect the scents in the bottles like I do, I think you'll really enjoy it, especially if you like floral scents and like roses and stuff and cherry blossom. So good. If you don't, skip it, you'll hate it. Next up is the lipstick. I am super happy I picked this up. I don't think I would have loved the other ones as much. They weren't shades that I usually wear. I usually wear like baby pink, lilac-y, like MAC Snob all the time. So I love this. This is the second thing I'd say to pick up is this lipstick shade in particular. I think it's so pretty, but again, if you don't like these kind of shades, you're gonna hate it. The lip gloss, I think it's cute. I don't think you need it, but I like it. I like the packaging. I wanted to get like one of everything minus the powder, so that's why I picked it up. But yeah, overall, I really like this collection. I think it's super cute. I've seen it got like a lot of hate, which, I mean, I get it. MAC releases so many collections. It's almost, well, not almost, it is ridiculous, but I always just pick up the ones that I like and the packaging that I like. So like I've skipped out on a lot of them lately. I think the last one I picked up was the Padma Lakshmi collection, and I love those. I still use those palettes all the time, so I think it just depends on your preference. But yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully it's not too late. I'm sure it is. I haven't watched any reviews, tutorials, anything like that on this collection, but I've seen this collection actually last longer than most. I picked up a lot of these products in store, and I know the other day when we were at the mall, they still had everything in stock, so if you do want to pick it up in store, you can, but I will have links down below if they are on the MAC website. If you guys purchase through me, helps me out, make a small commission. I'm also going to have that obviously in the description box down below. But thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!